Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Cayman. I'm with CM Contracting. Today I'm at Jaheen Cho's house, 2261 Canterbury, Wooster, Ohio, 44691. We are conducting a repairability attempt as requested by Misty. So I'm gonna start. So just so you know, I have to unseal this shingle. So this is the damaged shingle right here. You see this, right? You want to come a little closer? Quick. This is the damaged shingle right here. This is creased. So we have to unseal this shingle, also unseal these top, because once you're nailing in, there will be nails right here. And also when you're nailing this shingle in, you'll nail into this right here as well on the second layer. So I'm gonna do it first. I'm going to unseal the shingle. Get under here. You can see. Unsealing this one. As you can see right here, there's a lot of tar around the bottom. So that is the matting whenever the shingle seals back down to the one below it. So this is already a fail. So I just want you to check that out right there. We'll take this off. So that's all the tar. You can see right here. I'm lifting it up. You can see all right here. So this is mat transfer. As you can see on the top of this as well, we're all right here. So that means the shingle that I repair with, it's not gonna be able to seal down properly. So now I'm gonna unseal this one up here as well. This one here. Oh God. So as you can see, all this on the bottom of here. I'm gonna lift this up. I want you guys to see all the mat transfer along the bottom of the shingle as well. All mat transfer also along this one as well. You can see all up under the shingle. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the nails out first. So, that's already messed up. Some nail pop right there. So now we have to go up here, take these nails out as well. Why is it not? So, taking this shingle out. Now, what RLS said is that a reasonable match is just driftwood. I can see it looks a lot different, but we're gonna go ahead and continue with the repair. Reverse State Farm. As you can see, also the shingle is a little longer. If I were to cut this shingle, it would also mess with the warranty as well. Now what I'm gonna do is put the nails in.
Where is it? It's under the cover.
Oh, there it is.
Wow, man.
I said one more in here, I'm pretty sure. All right, so as you can see, all this right here, you can kind of see all the granules falling off of this as well. You see all the granules falling off of here as well. So this is already starting to seal, but this is too long right here. I could cut it, but it will mess with the warranty as well. See how much longer it is. So as you can see right here, so now what happens is it's gonna cause a domino effect, because now if you look under here for the mat transfer, so all of this is mat transfer, so this is damaged. So when I'm trying to get on the shingle, it's too sealed. So that means that this shingle is never gonna be able to seal down properly to this new shingle. So this is gonna, now I have to replace these two, just because there's mat transfer, and then it's just gonna cause a domino effect, and I'm not gonna be able to repair it anymore. So that concludes the video. Let's turn it off.